2025, the world's greatest car, rivalry isn't fought with engines anymore. It's fought with batteries. Two names lead the charge, Tesla and BYD. One symbolizes American innovation, the other China's industrial power redefining mobility. This is the EV war, the battle for the future of driving. BYD stunned the world in 2024, selling millions of new energy cars worldwide, while Tesla stayed the most iconic EV brand. Yet in China, BYD closed the gap. BYD's hybrids fueled volume. Tesla's pure EVs preserved prestige. Now the question isn't who sells more, but who shapes the next era. Tesla's empire runs on software, cars that update overnight, and a vast charging network. BYD's runs on control. It builds its own batteries, chips, and factories. Tesla perfects algorithms. BYD perfects cost. Two approaches, one goal, ultimate efficiency. Every revolution needs power. For EVs, it's the battery. BYD's Blade battery redefined safety and cost. Tesla's 4680 cell pushed energy and performance. BYD leads in affordability. Tesla leads in innovation. Two chemistries, one race for dominance. BYD plays across every price range, from the Dolphin to the Yangwang U8. While Tesla focuses on the Model 3 and Model Y, Tesla sells aspiration. BYD sells accessibility. Where chargers abound, Tesla wins. Where they don't, BYD's hybrids thrive. Tesla's edge is data. Millions of cars refining full self-driving every day. BYD leads in production scale and control. Tesla rules software. BYD rules hardware, both shaping tomorrow's mobility. Tesla revolutionized filling up with its global Supercharger network. BYD thrives on China's and Europe's charging grids. In EVs, access builds loyalty, and convenience defines power. BYD's strength is vertical integration, building everything in-house for speed and cost. Tesla's gigafactories turned automation into art. For both, manufacturing is innovation itself. Beyond tech lies politics. BYD's rise mirrors China's global reach. Tesla, born in Silicon Valley, builds in Berlin, Texas, and Shanghai, but faces tariffs and scrutiny. The EV race is now a geopolitical game on wheels. Tesla's strengths, software, autonomy, prestige. BYD's scale, affordability, battery mastery. Tesla defends China's market. BYD seeks fame abroad. Together, they push a zero-emission world forward. The EV future won't have one winner. Tesla drives technology. BYD powers the masses. Together, they accelerate the shift faster than anyone imagined. The electric revolution is just beginning. The EV war is reshaping industries, nations, and the way we move. Who will win, Tesla or BYD? Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more on the future of cars and innovation. The road ahead is electric, and together we're driving into tomorrow.